Welcome, my name is Aaron Cooper, and this is my ETT 329 project. Today I've decided to teach you guys the basics of AutoDraw. That's the tool I decided to use to audit for learning, and it's a pretty neat little thing. It's kind of fun to play with. It's AutoDraw. Google developed it, and it incorporates artificial intelligence in with your more traditional style drawing apps like Microsoft Paint. So plenty of applications we could use that for, but it's very nice. It's web-based, can use it from anywhere. It is free and very easy to learn. And if you have a trouble with learning it, it has its own tutorials right here, how to. So anyways, let's get back to my drawing. I've decided to start drawing a rabbit. And very quickly, we see we have some rabbits over here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get the AI to hone in a little bit better with my mediocre drawing skills. And sure enough, here we have it. We have some rabbits. So this guy looks kind of smug. I don't really like him. This guy also looks a little evil. This rabbit's good, and that's what I want for my clip art. I'm going to say that my application is I'm making visual aids, so flashcards or poster for young learners, or maybe even people learning language. So here we have a rabbit, and I can go ahead and take it, save it as an artifact, and print it as a flashcard. Or just take the clip art and bring it somewhere else to make my final product. So we'll start over again here. And some other ideas, some other things you could use this program for is one, just to play with drawing. Some people could learn about artificial intelligence as well as just experience drawing on this app. But for our artifact, we're going to make a poster or flyer, and it's going to be for Arbor Day. You could also do things like make an infographic, like if you're doing your own research and wanted some better clip art for your flow charts or your graphs, you could use that application to get the clip art. So I've drawn a tree here, and that's a one kind of tree. That's a thought bubble. Don't really like that one. No. So we got palm trees over here. Let's be realistic. This is the Midwest. It's 15 degrees outside. This looks like broccoli also. More Christmassy. Bam. This is the tree I'd like to use. So now I will go ahead and access my color palette because I'd like to make this a little more finished product. We don't have a lot of time to get super detailed with our flyer because this is just a short tutorial, but I'm going to go ahead and use the fill option here and give my tree some color. Now I'd like to take care of the trunk, so I'll scroll up here in my color palette. We have brown, which should do well, and bam, there we go. We have our tree painted. Okay, so we'll go back to AutoDraw, and I'm gonna now. Actually, you know what? I want text. I'm gonna start doing my text. So go to the type, and I'm going to type Arbor Day. Oh, I want black text. Back to my color palette. Arbor Day. 2019. Come down below. Get some more text here. Go back to the text box. Come plant with, oops, with us. Okay, now I can start moving around. I'm setting this stuff up good here. There we go. Bring this down. Okay, and of course I could change the font. Would definitely need a little more information this to finish, but I'm going to go ahead. Oh, not so fast. Go ahead and download my final product here. Save file. Okay, so now I have my artifact to turn in, and it's my flyer for Arbor Day 2019 planting program. So again, you could use this for flashcards, for visual learning aids, to fill out an infographic, flyers, posters, or just having fun drawing and playing with the artificial intelligence. So again, I'm Aaron Cooper. This is my ETT 329 project. Thanks for watching, and hopefully